How to change language you like to have post translated on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Okay, tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy and preference section, you can see here the language in region. Okay, you can tap this. And now here in language and region, you can see the language you like to have post translated into English. So you can tap this to change. And you have the option to translate post into this language. So the language is set into English, so you can change it by selecting on this option below. So you can scroll down for more option or available language. So for my example, I change into Espanol. So you can select the Espanol. And after that, tap the save button to save the settings. And okay guys, we have successfully changed the language you like to have post translated on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.